guys, so today I'm going to be doing a super quick video. I'm going to be doing another Birchbox unboxing for you. This is the October box and it's super pretty. It's got like flowers on it. I got a bit carried away with the scissors and cut a straight line through. So like I said, it is the October box. It's got some flowers around it. I haven't opened it yet. I've been really good and I've been waiting all afternoon to open it. So here it is. If you don't know what Birchbox is a monthly subscription box where you get 5 beauty samples, 1 full-size product, and it's £12.95 per month. £2.95 is P&P. I am not sponsored, but if you would like to join up, I have a link down below in the description. You can use that link and you can treat yourself to a monthly subscription box. So, like I said, link down below. And let's just get on to what we've got inside the October box. So straight off I can smell something actually. I can smell like a very strong smell. Eerily familiar to the Caudalie toner. Straight off the bat we have this, which is the card, but I think I'll leave that for now. Ooh, okay. So this is what the box looks like. It's a bit interesting. So first thing I see is these little 2 pink tubes. I don't know why I've got 2 of these, but I'm going to open them. I don't know what they are. Seems like we've got quite a few bits this month. So it says Estate, and these are liquid lipsticks. Oh my god, these are liquid lipsticks. Oh my god, these are liquid lipsticks! Sorry, I get very excited when it's like lipstick. Why have I got 2 of these? I have no idea. So this one says Treat and this one says Extra. Like I said, I don't know why I've got 2. So unless it's like, I don't know, something went wrong, I don't know. Anyway, these are matte liquid lipstick, I think. Oh my god, these are so cute! Okay. So this one is the shade Treat. And it's a really nice kind of nudie colour. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, and this one's kind of a little bit similar. This one is called Extra, but it's like a light pinky colour. Oh my god, I'm so excited about these. Yeah, these are super cute. Thumbs up this video if you want me to do a first impression, and I will do that for you guys. I'm very excited about these 2. So excited. And they come in a nice little bag as well, which I really appreciate. So the next thing I see is this Calvin Klein, which I'm always down for, and it says Women, and it is a fragrance. I like little fragrances because I keep them in my handbag and it's just easy to kind of spray, so you're not lugging like a really big glass thing with you. Trying to pretend like if I was someone in the street and like if I just like smelt this smell, what would I think? I'd think this is a girl who can look after herself, which isn't me. Okay, I am getting the full size of this. This is so nice, oh my god. The next thing I see is this Winky Looks, and it is a strobing balm in radiant pink. That's nice, but I don't know what it is. Strobing balm. What is strobing balm? Oh my god. Ooh! Shimmery pink colour, but I don't really like balms as such, so I'm probably gonna sell this because, like I said, I don't like balms. So, shame, because it's a really nice colour, but with my oily skin, just doesn't work well. Okay, so this is a lip stain, and this is in the shade Amber Rose. It doesn't say what brand. Oh. Douche. I don't think the brand's called Douche. It smells like cupcakes. So I think this is another matte liquid lipstick. I'm not too sure. It says lip stain, but I think it's very similar to a matte lipstick. Next I have a multifunctional soap sponge. Soap sponge. I don't know what this is. It says multifunctional soap sponge in charcoal. It is mild and it exfoliates, detoxes and balances for all skin types. Simply wet and lather cleanse skin in circular motions. I'm gonna try it out, but like the thought of it isn't that great. And then I have a soul food nourishing mask, and that is like funky 60s packaging. I'm like loving that. Oh, it's a hair mask. That's really interesting. Because I'm struggling with my hair at the minute. Like I'm having to use like masks and things on it, and okay, cool. I'm gonna use this. And then the final thing we have, if I can get it out, is this foil mask, which is what I had to choose. Yeah, it's what I had to choose. And it's the Beauty Pro Thermotherapy Warming Silver Foil Mask. I chose silver because it gave you like an option between gold or silver because they both did different things. This one boosts complexion. So yeah, basically it's just a foil mask. It's got, this one is supposed to be hydrating and brightening, which is, I'm all for brightening my face. So I mean, I'm using a few products like now to brighten my face and I feel like they're kind of working. So I don't know, maybe I'll be glowing like a light bulb after I use this. I don't know, but I'm very interested. But I'm a bit confused as to why I've got so many products. So I am just going to go through the little leaflet and see if I was meant to get all these. So I was meant to get this. There's no mention in here about the 2 lip stains that I've got. So I'm very confused as to why I've got them. But thank you. I guess. Thank you, Birchbox, for giving me those. I don't know why you've given me them, but I mean, thank you. I don't know why. I wonder if it's because I've been with them like 6 months. I'm really not sure why. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Like I said, there's a link in the description if you would like to join Birchbox. It's really, really fun, as you can see, and I'm going to use most of these products, I think, apart from this. But we've got some really good products. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!